island in the sun, oh, my island home, my island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from, my island in the sun, oh.
It's not very often we get to see Monashee properly underway and under sail, but today we're traveling with our friends Ushi and Helmet to one of the most beautiful spots in the Caribbean, the Tobago Cays.
And somehow, accidentally, the race is on.
It is absolutely not a race.
We've got Ushi and Helmet behind us. Yes?
You're not wearing yellow.
Keeping it fresh for the viewers, changing it up a little bit, making it exciting, not so predictable.
Yeah, or maybe, squadron?
We're heading off to Petit Rameau and Tobago Cays. Main sail is up full.
Yep.
They say we're supposed to have winds anywhere from 90 degrees port to about 150 degrees port. And somewhere about like 12 to 15 knots, generally gusting to 19. So if we're using logic for the past season, it's going to be 19 the entire way with a little bit more gust, but who knows? We'll see. We've got 3 cats ahead of us going off the same direction. One cat heading out that way, another cat coming this way. Ushi and Helmet still raising their sails. If you heard anything of what I just said, I'll be impressed. So we'll get there. And we're told this is probably the most beautiful place we're going to visit in the Caribbean. So stay tuned, find out.
It's hoping.
So, I wanna hold you tight and never let you go. Is it ever enough? Is it ever enough? Am I ever enough? Enough for you?
So here's the beauty of it. They want to cross our bow when they could have actually ducked us, gone faster, but now they're having to pull up to get by us, then cut across, and giving us mud. So truly, it's like somebody pulling out in front of you in traffic from a stop sign when they could just simply wait.
Is it ever enough? Is it ever enough? Am I ever enough? Enough for you? Is it ever enough?
Just 15 minutes later, we're actually moving faster, so to starboard we go. Bye-bye!
Yeah, definitely not a race. Right, Mr. Andretti?
So we have 18 to 19 sustained winds coming out of the port side at 60 degrees, so it's generally a good pointing direction for us. We don't know if we're hitting the east side or the west side of the island of Catamaran to get Petit Rameau in the Tobago Cays, because we've hailed Ushi and Helmet 5 times on the radio, sent them 2 messages by WhatsApp, and they haven't responded. We thought maybe it was our radio that was the problem, so we did a radio check. Somebody responded that was further away than they were. So they're just not monitoring the radio right now. So we're gonna head straight for dead center of where we need to turn, and if we have to, we'll slow down the boat. Right now, 16 knots of wind, doing 6.5.
Blowing smoke in those neon lights, S in black and a bottle and jack on ice. Yeah, I'd rather be a cowboy than your girl for the night. Damn, that smile had all us girls gone wild. And if I give in, I would be gifted the talk of the town. Another notch on your belt for you to chase. The boys might buy around. I'd be remembered round town as a girl you found, but never settled you down. Yeah, I'd rather be a cowboy, taking off on those midnight rides, breaking hearts under the center destroy, blowing smoke in those neon lights, steps in black and a bottle of jack on ice. Yeah, I'd rather be a cowboy than a girl for the night.
Not that it's a race or anything, but we're now passing the second of the 2 faster boats that are larger than us, and they have full sails on. So So we pointed up to miss the middle of the pack of the Sargassum. We're catching probably about 25% of it.
Ever seen that brown stuff washing up everywhere? That's sargassum weed. It's a free-floating seaweed that grows out in the open ocean, not on reefs. Offshore, it's actually a floating habitat looking like Liam's hair.
Hey!
Often trapping debris including fishing line and nets. Winds and currents eventually push it ashore where it can stink, trap wildlife, and wreck beaches. Welcome to cruising reality out here.
You can sure smell this island called Big Cat. Here's a fun one. We actually had to slow down the boat, check out the headsail. Because we were so far ahead, Monashee and Helmet with their bigger, faster boat, not that it's a race or anything, that they would be able to catch us. We actually don't know where they reserved buoys for Tobago Cays, so we're just going to dock here doing 5.5 knots and let them catch up in over the next half an hour or so. Just a little reef off of Tobago Cays. We have to go through the channel right there and around.
Tell me all your dreams and fantasies. I wanna be.
We have been at a number of beautiful islands before, but this one looks just as good as all the rest. But little did we know that Tobago Cays offered something more extraordinary, just around the corner. You really have to pay close attention to your charts and your eyes because these shallow sandbars and reefs have claimed more than a few boats.
And we're not donating Monashee to the cause.
Coulda be the roughest of the them and the heaviest of burden. I go dead if it's certain. Know me a dead if it's certain. So you won't be forsaken. Cause impress you build me up and you help me grow in a so much ways. So why would I never give you up? Even if me blow up, you can't be replaced. While I can, I thank you for all you do. And all my love and all I have, I'll give for
So this is
you.
where we're anchored in the Tobago Cays, and you truly can't disagree. It's beautiful. Sorry, not anchored. We're on a mooring ball. Second mooring ball we've taken for the season, but this is where Helmet and Monashee have taken us. And just from a safety perspective, I never anchor or take a mooring ball with the island right close behind me. If this mooring ball snaps, we've literally got just a few seconds to get off and underway, get out of trouble. So usually I would be somewhere like this, but even more so as we were coming in, you could see that there's a couple balls and great anchoring in the channel that led out to the sea. So you had an hour, 2 hours to rescue your boat. But as long as these people maintain their mooring balls, and of course I will go dive at the sea, should be fine. We're here for a couple days.
Normally we'd be giving you facts and figures right about now, but instead we're going to let the scenery do the talking. Enjoy.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. It's not far to Never Land. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always.
If you're tantalized by what we're showing you, tap the tempting like and subscribe buttons below to help turn casual viewers into true fans who'll totally treasure the tales too, like Charris BC, Beverly McKenzie, Gordon Reich, Greg Lynch, and Colin and Lisa Purcell.
Well, this is quite the delivery service.
Look at this.
Special service for special friends.
Oh my goodness.
But you must. Yeah. You've got it?
Got it. Let me give you your thing back.
Okay, that's impressive. Cooked well underway. Cheers to Ushi and Helmet in Tobago Cays and the beautiful
And the
bread.
bread. So yummy.
Yum.
Thank you.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, beach by my doorstep, singing sweet song of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. This is my message to you.
And now it's time to take advantage of some spectacular snorkeling. Stick around, because what we found in these aquamarine waters was worth the wait.
Tonight, the sky above reminds me of your love. Walking through winter time when the stars all shine. The angel on the stairs will tell you I was there under the front porch light on a mystery night. I've been sitting watching light pass from the sidelines.
So that's what you call a 5-turtle day. And a stingray.
Stingray.
And a couple boxfish in the Tobago Cays.
I saw an eel. I saw 3 parrotfish, 3 big
Ooh.
parrotfish all swim by me.
Yeah.
And yeah, very cool. And then a bunch of little fish down there. It's very cool.
5 turtles.
Yes, first time ever seeing turtles, and they're not swimming with turtles ever for me. So highlight for sure.
Yeah. And they were all pretty cute.
They were very cute.
One was a
Especially-
little turtle guy.
Especially the first one that we saw, because we were pretty shallow, so he was right there, and we could kind of hover over him and just watch him as he did his thing, and he'd come up for air and then go back down again, and it's awesome.
Not a bad place to come if you want to see some turtles and rays and other neat things and beautiful scenery as you saw from Bad Guy.
And then something happened that was completely not on our radar. The television show Below Deck rolled into town and changed everything.
Below Deck is a reality TV series about what happens when luxury yachting meets maximum drama. Scantily clad rich guests with big egos and crew trying not to lose it.
On the back of this very, very expensive yacht, how much is it listed for sale for?
It's like $32 or $38 million.
38 million bucks. They've got
Euros.
Euros. They have a camera woman standing in black on the back deck with a full shoulder cam, and then on the level just above the guy in the blue, a woman with a boom mic. That's the way you make your videos. Camera woman filming second angle on the outer port side second story deck.
What surprised me most was how scripted it all felt. Multiple takes of the same argument, different angles, carefully staged scenes, all rehearsed before rolling.
I wonder if Below Deck is actually videoing us going, ooh, that's SV Monashee from YouTube. Yeah?
You never know.
Never know.
You really do live in your own little world, don't you?
And now the disco lights come on. Yeah, just what you want in a secluded, beautiful Anchorage.
Let me guess. Next you're going to tell them to get off your lawn, turn down their darn rock and roll music, and take their ball away.
I have no comeback for that burn. That was actually funny.
Tobago Cays, you did not disappoint. From breathtaking views to rays and sea turtles, this place lived up to every promise.
And that's why you need to get out here while you can, because life feels long going forward, but very short looking back.
Thanks for sharing our journey and subscribing, and check out this next video as we believe fashion designer Valentino would have liked it too.